FlashForge AD5M, AD5M/AD5 family. Current price example on FlashForge site, $398, $399. Refurbed and sale prices vary. Alright, if speed and low fuss are high on your wishlist, the AD5M Core XY really grabs attention. FlashForge advertises a Core XY all-metal motion structure, one-click full auto calibration, and acclaimed max travel speed up to 600 mm per second, which sounds wild on paper but translates to much faster throughput for low to medium detail prints when tuned properly. The AD5M also boasts a quick-swap nozzle system, multiple diameters 0.25/0.4/0.6/0.8 mm. That's great if you jump between high detail minis and fast prototyping. On the Amazon/FlashForge pages, the machine's feature list includes a detachable direct extruder for easy maintenance, a PEI double-sided spring steel plate handy for pop-off prints, and FlashForge Orca/FlashMaker app ecosystem for remote monitoring and batch control. From the user perspective, this is a serious beginner or light professional box. Prints come out clean at reasonable speeds. Auto-leveling removes one huge pain point, and the Core XY platform keeps the head movement tight and repeatable. The quick-release nozzle is a practical quality-of-life improvement for people who hate digging hotans apart at 2 a.m. It literally takes seconds compared to soldering type chores on older kits. That said, higher speed prints need careful tuning, retraction, acceleration, jerk, and premium motion control to avoid ringing at extreme settings, so expect to spend a little time optimizing slicer profiles if you chase top speeds. Customer sentiment on official pages is generally positive, and FlashForge store often runs sales and bundles. If you want a fast, low-maintenance Core XY with modern conveniences, auto-level, quick-swap nozzle, app control, the AD5M is worth a serious look. Check the current listing for the live price and regional deals, and yes, we share by links in the description box.